welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In today's video, I will be showing you a simple way to make your herbal Ayurvedic milk butter, which can help to increase your hair growth rate, stop your hair from falling out due to the DHT blocker included in the ingredients, stop breakage, dry and brittle hair, helps with moisture and length retention. If all of those interest you, then please keep on watching. Our first ingredient is organic moringa powder. This powder consists of iron, zinc, essential amino acids, vitamin C and E, omega-3. Keratin is a protein essential to hair growth. Its formation relies on amino acids, minerals, and vitamins, all of which are present in moringa. Moringa hydrates the scalp to heal the hair from the inside out. I will be adding in 3 tablespoons of moringa powder. Amla powder is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium, and iron. It conditions your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, minimize grays, boost hair volume, reduce dandruff, treat hair lice. Amla can nourish, strengthen, and boost hair growth. I will also be adding in 3 tablespoons of amla powder. Brahmi powder helps provide strength and nourishment through the scalp, strengthening the blood vessels, stores oxygen and nutrients, which stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. The alkaloids in brahmin bind to the proteins in the hair shaft, producing stronger and thicker hair. Brahmi powder reduces hair fall, accelerates your hair growth rate, reduce itchiness and dandruff. I will also be adding in 3 tablespoons of Brahmi powder. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know I love using aloe vera on my hair. I made this aloe vera powder myself using fresh aloe vera from my garden. If you guys would love to see how I make my own aloe vera powder, just let me know down in the comment section and I will try my best to make that video for you guys. I will also be using 3 tablespoons of my aloe vera powder in this mixture. After adding all your powder together, just give it a good stir so that we can mix all of our powder together. And then we are now going to go in with our vera oils. I'm now going in with 1 cup of coconut oil. That is a ½ cup measurement. I know a lot of people have problems with coconut oil. If you fall within that range, you can either substitute it with sunflower oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. All of those oils have similar properties as coconut oil. Our second oil we will be using is sweet almond oil. I'm adding in ½ cup of that. I'm also going in with ½ cup of castor oil. After just mix all your ingredients together very well so that your vera oils and all your amazing Ayurvedic herbs can all blend together properly. After mixing it well, you should have something like this. We are now going to use the double boiler method by using my crock pot. If you don't have a crock pot, you can always fill a pot with water and put it on your stove and set your mixture into it. It's been about 3 hours now. All of our herb have sink to the bottom. I'm just going to give it a last stir because I'm going to leave this overnight. It's late here now. I'm going to leave this overnight, and then tomorrow we will continue to the next process, but we wouldn't want to stir this again. So this will be the last stir I will be doing with my mixture. This is the next morning. As you can see, our mixture is ready. All the water in the crock pot is gone. So this is how it's looking. We are not going to stir this because we don't want the powder to mix again. I'm just going to leave this for a couple of days. That is just cool down, and then let the powder sink all the way to the bottom. So it been a couple of days. As you can see, the oils are floating at the top and the powders at the bottom. I'm just going to separate my oil from the powder because we are going to be using only the oil in this mixture. Now we have a beautiful, beautiful herbal Ayurvedic oil. Please do not throw this away. You can use it in your deep conditioner. And this is how our oil is looking. So, so beautiful. I now have my sorry, I can't even talk. My raw shea butter. This shea butter, my company sells it. We ran out of the average shea butter. I only have, I think, about 10 pieces left of the yellow shea butter. So try to get your hands on it because I don't know when I'm going to have more in stock. So this is what I'm going to be using. This worldwide pandemic is causing a lot of problems. Anyway, I got my bowl. I'm just going to transfer my shea butter into it so I can just have something bigger to work with. I'm going to be doing this on my stove because I cannot find my little my little stove that I normally put in my filming room. So I'm taking you guys to my kitchen. I fill my pot with hot water and I'm just going to set my butter over it and let it slowly melt. Please do not expose your butter to direct heat. It's just going to kill all the vitamins and nutrients in it. So our shea butter is now melted down. I'm now going in with 1 cup of our herbal solution that we made. And then I'm going in with shea powder. Shea is an African hair growth secret from the women of Chad in Africa. They have very, very long and beautiful hair, and they claim that shea is the cause of them retaining that length. I'm now going in with 2 tablespoons of shea powder. Biotin, as we all know, is a B vitamin. It is amazing for hair growth and hair health. I'm adding in half of teaspoon of biotin powder. I will also be going in with my saw palmetto powder. This is a natural DHT blocker. I will be adding in half teaspoon of that. Bamboo powder has the highest amount of vegetative silica in any plant, up to 70%. This nutrient-rich ingredient also has protective antioxidant properties and improve hair health through its silica-rich nutrient base. Silica is found to improve hair texture, prevent split ends, and accelerate hair growth. I also added in half teaspoon of bamboo powder. After adding in all of our ingredients, just give it a good stir. And then we are going to use our cling wrap and pop this into the freezer. You need to be checking this. I don't like my product to be too thick. So I normally leave mine for about 45 minutes until I get the thickness that I want. Once I see that my fingers can go through it easily, then I know it is ready for me to use my hand mixture on it. It been 45 minutes plus. This is exactly how I love mine to be. I'm now just going to use my hand mixer to just whip it up into a creamy consistency. Now, if you want it to be very thick, then you can leave it furthermore in the freezer. But this is just perfect for me, and this is how I love my products to be. Very creamy, fluffy, so that it can penetrate my hair strands easily. My butter is ready. I'm now just going to transfer it into my container. I got that container from Amazon. In my next video, I will be showing you guys exactly how I will be using my Ayurvedic hair growth oil and my Ayurvedic butter. But in the meantime, this butter can be used as a pre-poo treatment, as a deep condition treatment, and as a leave-in treatment. If you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you will try this. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.